For part
Pero sa lugar
3,
niya, Bet, ang kabayo, alaga lang, ano?
yes, it is not a delicacy at the location. Part 3 na to, Buds, ha?
Okay.
Let's win. Ina-upload ko
Kanina
na
tayo, mananalo na eh.
ina-upload ko na yung part 1 tsaka part 2. Puro defeat.
Kung kailan mananalo na eh, bigla akong tinawag eh.
Magtataka yung mga nag-view ng video ko, ibang game nilalaro ko. Ay.
Ano nga yun? 10, ay 20, okay. 20 woods.
Early game pa lang sa Valheim, meron ng dual axe. Pag nakita mo yung dalawang ulo.
Oo.
So, you can chop woods early on. Yung matitigas na puno.
Yun bang American president yung niloloko na mahilig pumutol ng puno?
Lincoln?
Bakit kaya?
Maybe siguro sa figure niya? Not sure. Or maybe because dahil din dun sa napanood mo ba yung movie na Abraham Lincoln Vampire Slayer? If I'm correct.
Hindi.
Si Abraham Lincoln doon, vampire hunter with an axe.
The fuck?
Yeah. The president is fighting against a vampire.
Sino yung kasama natin? Sino pa yung isang tao?
It was Pam.
Oh, hindi ba?
Puro daw seafoods kinain ni Pam.
Puro beef, puro mo.
Wait, I have a question. How does fish have a sound?
Good question. Let's leave it to the philosophers na lang.
Capture the shrines. Inherit the dragon
The
knight's power
shrine.
and lay waste to this forsaken kingdom.
Bert, sirain natin yung itlog ni ano,
Nasa may itlog niya?
nasa bayag. Sorry. Pero nandoon niya yan, ano nandito?
Sige lang.
Mamamatay to.
Ay, nagbabol
At sino ang hinahabol mo?
Si Nerky, nagbabol.
Turkey ba?
Wala, magaling nagbabol eh.
Okay, ako talaga dinidisable nila.
Yung bot. Ay,
Don't worry. I'm gonna die here, you know.
you shall never have this altar. And the fish is dead.
Sam is dead? Oh no, what happened?
Don't talk about the forbidden fish, man.
The fishman.
Yeah, I'll go mid Bantayin niyo yung baba.
I think, Bert,
Yep, I know.
Maling decision yun.
I understand.
o sumasalo na lahat ng damage eh.
Uy, daming meat. Meat! Uy, kuha top. Kinukuha yung baba.
Sige. Babantay muna kami sa mid. Hindi, bantay muna sa mid. Huwag mo nang iwan yung mid. Yung kasama ko, hindi ikaw.
Yep, cancelled.
So, ngayon ako bababa. Oh, shit.
Oh no, hinahabol si Uncle Boots.
Stay muna sa baba. Oh boy, iniwang ka. Labas ka muna saglit. Okay, balik.
Gagong isda to.
Balik. Atayin nyo yung ano.
Yeah, that's the plan, Boots. That's the plan.
Uy, konti na lang.
Patay.
Make your enemy
Nice! Kuha.
Yeah. Kakain mo na ako chicharon habang ikaw yung lumalaban.
Sige lang. It's a room. Ow. Level time.
I have seen enough.
Bert, panik tayo. Panik.
Copy that. Go. Taxi driver. Reinforcement here.
Hati sila eh. Sige, pasok.
Ayun na.
Ako po! Naglalag ako! Hindi ako makapag-activate ng skill. Naglalag.
Still worth it.
GG. Hindi ako nakatakas dahil dun sa lag.
Ayun.
Nag-disconnect pa ako.
Sinuko ko ng game.
Sama naman ng timing.
I'm gonna die. Shit. Ankle Boots has rejoined.
Wield the Dragon Knight's ancient strength.
We are stronger when we
Pinupush yung
fight
mid.
together.
Yung baba. Oh, la, patay si Nazibo sa baba. Yep.
Harness the power of sun and moon. Put an end to this cursed realm.
Pilitin natin kunin yung bot. Pag uy! Kinukuha yung Merc! Kulong ko! SSN ko!
I'm trying the best as I can. Wala, disabled ako. Well, that sucks.
Malas naman nun.
Disabled ako nun. GG. Wala, kuha nila to.
The Dragon Knight shall reduce you to cinders.
Here comes the dragon. Ow. Wala, level gap din.
Ito nga.
His strength was never yours to keep.
GG. GG. I am dead.
Sorry, dude. Need to run.
Rabot. Oh.
Another chance to prove yourself worthy.
Killing.
Do not squander it.
Ubus din. Panik tayo. Bert,
Yeah.
Avenge mine. Earn his power and destroy your enemies.
Going mid. And there's an enemy here.
Round up and protect the VIP.
Nice! Nice! Huli! Huli yung dalawa! Ay, nag-teleport.
Bring them before.
ano naman nakagad, Bert?
Nakuha yung baba.
Gagawa kagad ako ng rocket dun sa ano
Sige lang.
sa mid. Hindi na pala kailangan. Tama ko sa akin, Bert. Tama ko sa akin. Diba? Meron na yan eh.
Hindi makuha yung mid. Sige, push nyo. Got it! Dun.
Will not be stopped.
Sirain yung tower! Sirain yung tower!
That beast is
Nice
not
one.
my beloved. Not anymore.
Damn! Tinapon lahat sa kanya ng damage. Tinapon mo na lahat ng skill mo for healing. Five meat na lang.
We will not be stopped.
I'm a monster na.
Huli ka muna sa amin at baka mamatay ka pa.
Yun, tapos na.
Yun.
Level 20 na rin. I wanna trap them. Oh.
It won't be long before the shrines are ready for the
You
taking.
might as well take the meat. Meat. Tuloy. Merc sa baba. Meat.
Tayo na.
Nahuli ka? Ah, nahuli kayo.
Oo.
Control both shrines, and the Dragon Knight's power is yours.
done, friend.
Nahahabol nyo talaga ako ah.
Magic is yours.
GG. Kuha nila.
The fire comes for you.
Patay! Woo! Muntikan ka na, Bods.
Mamatay ka, Bert. Mamatay ka.
You think?
Excellent.
Yay! Keep them
Wala,
slow
binigit ako sa'yo.
down! Keep them slow! And I'll chase them to the
Hindi
depths
na
of
kaya
hell!
ano eh.
Isang pitik lang yan.
Keep it up.
Natin tong bot.
Oh, it's done? Okay.
Can't do this alone.
Oh, you mid,
Patay.
you mid, you mid, you mid, you mid.
Wala na yan.
Takbo!
Ako na papatayin dito.
Ooh, I don't like
Oy!
puro sila may mga immunity.
Power gathers within the shrines. Seize them and become the new Dragon Knight.
Lipad Ikaw na lang
Patay
natitira,
pa rin ang
Bones.
putya.
The infamous flying taxi driver.
My husband is dead. Remind
The flying
this king
taxi,
of his
you know?
strength.
The grab ear.
They don't realize is that before they even answer the phone, we're already onto them. Let me explain.
Kukunin na naman nila ulit yung dragon. Okay.
Bert, wait. Punta natin yung baba.
Dali!
Bert,
Dali! Go! Fly! Fly!
You
Wala na.
shall burn.
God, damit. Patayin natin to.
Let's take it.
Habol. Shit. Iwan ako.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Yeah, lilipad ako dun. And... Yep. I can't do shit about that.
For the past few months, we've been developing new ways to go after scammers more proactively. We can't reveal everything, but in short, we've been targeting the tools they rely on. During our investigation, we discovered a server belonging to a group that called themselves, and this is true, Gladiators. It hosted fake websites designed to install remote access software, along with scam assets like fake McAfee emails and the tools used to blast them out to potential victims. But simply accessing the server wasn't enough. We wanted to get on the systems of the scammers actually using these tools. So we did what any potential victim would do. We called the number on the
Shit.
email.
Nakakainis. Puro CC.
Yun nga eh.
Tatlong CC ability tatama sa'yo.
In my case, hindi ko gusto yung puro sila immunity.
Bale, wala yung ano mo, no?
Useless yung habol ko eh.
Puro pangontra nga eh. Hindi naman ako bigla ang healing. Kailangan ko, matagal ako sa battlefield. Disable ako. Anong ginagawa ko sa laban? Pagka ganun, wala.
Yep, they're gonna push bottom.
Lugi tayo sa ano? Medyo lugi tayo sa ability nila eh.
Yep.
Mamatay si ano?
Patay.
Atay!
The shrines will soon be active again. Become the Dragon Knight and claim vengeance for my family.
Wala, sira.
Parang useless habulin sila eh. Puro mga pangtakas din yung kanila eh.
Hindi, puro si Isda kasi ang nahuhuli eh. Walang ibang nahuhuli. Panik tayo sa taas.
Sige, sinasibo sa baba. Tayo sa taas. Dung 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 dung. Hello! Hello! How are you doing? Hi!
Oh boy!
Oh no, mamamatay pa tayo!
Looks like you could use a medic.
What the hell is that one? What is that?
Balik na tayo, Buds!
Ang pangarap kong jackpot. Stun. Puro stun inaabot natin, nakakainis.
Hindi ko nga malapad
Ano
yung
nangyari sa
SS ko eh.
unstoppable mo, Bert? Yung unstoppable mo walang kwenta. Very stoppable.
Cleanses all.
Butcher the stoppable. Laki buhay. Yung unstoppable na, yung nag-iisang unstoppable sa akin. Laging nai-stop. GG. Wala tayong laban dito. Suko.
His strength was never yours to keep.
Lapit, lapit, lapit. Oh boy.
Boots!
Iniistan pa ako. Puta, ragis. Palayo ka ng palayo sa akin, man.
Yung dadaanan ko
Around
pupunta
the
ako
world
sa'yo.
ka. Ang rule ko nun, pagka ganun, bahala ka mamatay. Naabol lang kita, dahil ikaw si Albert. Gawa mo doon. The heck?
Hanging by a thread. My goodness.
Shit.
I'm dead.
Na-rape si Bochet ng isda. Sad life.
Wala pa akong SS.
Butcher the stop. Inapatay ng isda.
Eh, habulan nyo. Habulan
Wait lang,
nyo.
Bert.
Yun, hinabol ko si Hanzo. Come here, bitch.
Good luck,
Ay,
Bert.
hindi ko nahabol.
Good luck.
Eh, Jesus Christ.
Butcher the stoppable. Panay baba. Dalaw, tulungan natin yung baba. Gusto mo?
Go, 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 go. They need help. Well, we're late.
You just run. Run, nigga, run.
I can't run, nigga.
Fuck.
Yee.
Blunder after blunder. Naiiyak ako, bad trip. Ay.
Same boat, same.
Wala ka nang magawa eh, no? Ba't pa di tumawa na lang sa kalokohan? Ay, wala tayong magawa. Nakakainis. Ay,
Goodness.
GG.
Third defeat.
Ano ba, 3 out of 5?
Sige, sige.
GG.
Goodness. May mga chances na pwede talaga tayong manalo. What?
Natawa ako na sumumunta. Mapapatay na natin, na-stun pa tayo. Hindi pa rin tayo nanalo.
Kala,
Nakakairita.
CR lang ako.
Ako rin, ayun.